How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Raptor X versus our Raptor Visor Light Bar models and show you a few of our new flash patterns that we recently introduced. So up top here, I brought our Raptor X TIR in an amber color model, and I'm using our optional SIG plug here. Now on your SIG plug, you'll have two power modes and your flash pattern changer. So in power mode 1, I went ahead and programmed one of our new 1-1 to 2-2 style flash patterns here. And then I can easily swap over to power mode 2, and I have our combo patrol style flash pattern programmed. And this is one of our new combo style flash patterns. So I'll let that run through a sequence here. Now I did bring an amber color model for example, but we do offer our Raptor X TIR in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color options, and we also have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And we also offer our Raptor X in MultiColor Linear as well. And on the bottom here, I brought our Super Takedown MultiColor Linear Raptor Visor Light Bar in a red, blue, clear color setup. Now to activate our Raptor Visor Light Bars and our Super Takedown Raptor Visor Light Bars, you can use our optional Grand Control Box. So here you'll have your power button, and then you have two power modes here for two flash pattern memories. So in power mode 1, I have one of our new double Pong style flash patterns programmed, and then in power mode 2, I have our combo rapid style flash pattern programmed. And on our multicolor linear models, you will have 40 flash patterns to choose from. Now on your standard Raptors, the main difference between your Raptor X and your Raptor will be your two additive white takedowns there, which you can activate independently or while your light bar is flashing as well. And then with our Super Takedown models, you'll be able to go Super Takedown on your visor light bar, and that will override the warning functionality of your light bar, or you can activate that function independently as well. Now another really cool feature with our multicolor Raptor linear visor light bars paired with dual memory is you can run your light bars in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color by using the built-in flash patterns. So past your combo rapid style flash pattern, you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color and 4 patterns in your secondary color. So for example, here was a red, blue, clear color light bar. So I'll have 4 patterns in red, blue. So I have pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then past those, I'll be into my secondary color, which on this light bar would be clear. So I'll have 4 patterns there. So pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4 in my secondary color. And then past those, I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns. Now with that capability, you're able to run your primary color. Say you wanted to program your primary color in mode 1, and then you could easily program your secondary color in mode 2 and swap between those two colors for any application. Now your Raptor X will measure 15.5 inches on either side, and your Raptor and Super Takedown Raptors will measure 18 inches on either side. And we do have universal and vehicle specific mounting brackets available as well. So make sure to check out the product page for the full product demo, and also use our product interactive player to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.